I'll get the video on. Let's study the video. Good, so far so good. It's quiet now. The best way to examine it is video because hand. You see that? Has it been rubbing the eyes?
This is like normal grooming, right?
This is grooming, yeah. But if the sand particles got in, of course, you try to scratch it out and then tearing, because it's very painful. So it tears.
Oh, I introduced one more thing, which is a wheel.
Why? What's wrong with the wheel? Something new? Wait, you just hold first. Let me just get the eyes first. See whether any more rubbing or not. Sometimes you can tell from the hamster at rest. We call it.
It's not like his left eye is bigger than his right, huh?
No, you're lucky. You see, looks like he has recovered or whatever you did. Did you put eye drops or anything?
I only took out his platform, take away the sand bath and the wheel. 3 things.
Sand bath and the wheel. Appetite back to normal?
All the while is okay.
Urine?
Urine, I can't tell because he doesn't pee. No more sand bath to pee. I can't tell.
They can pee at the side? No.
Cannot tell.
Drinking?
Drinking, I think okay.
So basically, you're using this the brown one, right? And the paper also.
Yeah.
Has
This one is supposed to be.
Has bathing.
This is KT, I think, and then this one is the tea bag paper one.
The brown one.
The white one. The white one is tea bag paper. Supposed to be okay for sensitive skin.
Yeah, but he hasn't got sensitive skin. He's only got eye irritation. Now it looks okay. See, it looks okay now. Wait, let me see this side. So good news, good news, not serious.
Okay.
Serious will be for her. Okay, or she can video herself. Okay, you want to see? Okay, wear gloves.
So when you hold the hamster, you hold the head in between your 2 hands like that. So that she cannot move too much, huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Between the
And then
forefinger
after
and
that, you just put under the eye.
He's biting, right?
you can
But
bite
you can't feel it.
Yeah.
I see. You can put here. Okay.
Go like that. Of course, you hold firmly, then you won't.
His eye is looking much better.